Hello everyone. Let us learn about business economics. What is business economics? Is economics a subject or a matter of concern? Or can it be called the study of policies? Or is economics is a science or we can call it a social science? What is the meaning of business economics? Let's learn. Meaning and scope of business economics. See, business economics is a field of applied economics which studied the financial, organizational, market related, and environmental issues faced by corporations. Business economics encompasses subjects such as the concept of scarcity, production factors, distribution, and consumption. Business economics is the integration of economic theory with business practice for the purpose of facilitating decision making and forward planning by the management. Business economics is also referred to as managerial economics, or generally it refers to the integration of economic theory with business practice. While the theories of economics provide the tools which explain various concepts such as supply, demand, costs, price, competition, etc. Business economics is that field which applies these tools in the process of business decision making. What is the scope of business economics? Scope means the contents. What is covered under business economics? Business economics is categorized into two kinds. First one is microeconomics and the second one is macroeconomics. Microeconomics constitutes three factors in it, that is product pricing, factor pricing and welfare economics. Product pricing includes theory of demand and theory of supply, whereas factor pricing includes four theories in it, and these are theories of wages, theory of rent, theory of interest, and the theory of profit. Coming up to the next category of business economics, and it is macroeconomics, which constitutes four theories in it. Number one, theory of income and employment. Number two, theory of general price level and inflation. Theory of economic growth. And the last one, theory of distribution. Now, come let's know something about microeconomics. The meaning of microeconomics. See, microeconomics is a combination of two words, that is micro and economics. The word micro is derived from the Greek word micros, that means small. Microeconomics deals with the small segments of the society. Or we can say that microeconomics is the study of behavior of individual decision making units such as consumers, resource owners, and firms. Microeconomics has both theoretical and practical importance because it solves the three central problems of an economy, that is, what, how, and for whom to produce. Microeconomics is also known as the price theory because its major subject matter deals with the determination of price of commodities and factors. Coming up to macroeconomics. Macroeconomics word is also a combination of two words, that is macro and economics. And the word macro is derived from the Greek word macros, that means large. Generally, macroeconomics deals with the aggregate economics. Or we can define macroeconomics as the study of overall economic phenomena such as problem of full employment, gross national product, savings, investment, aggregate consumption, aggregate investment, economic growth, etc. Macroeconomics is also known as the theory of income and employment because its major subject matter deals with the determination of income and employment. Macroeconomics is used to solve many problems of an economy like monetary problems, economic fluctuations, general unemployment, inflation, disequilibrium in the balance of payment position, etc. Now, economics has both components, that is macroeconomics and microeconomics, and there are various contents that are included in it. So, now we'll talk about the areas covered under macroeconomics and the areas covered under microeconomics separately. Theory of demand, theory of supply, theory of wages, theory of rent, theory of interest, and the theory of profit. These all theories are covered under microeconomic aspect of the business economics. And theory of income and employment, theory of general price level and inflation, theory of economic growth, and the theory of distribution. These all four theories are covered under macroeconomic aspect of business economics. Now let us talk about the scope of microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics covers demand analysis and forecasting, cost and benefit analysis, pricing decisions, policies, practices, profit maximization, and capital management. Whereas macroeconomic aspect of business economics covers the aggregate phenomenon such as income, employment, general price level, economic growth, distribution, inflation, etc. So, after studying lots of things about business economics, macroeconomics, and microeconomics, we can now draw a conclusion that business economics comprises of that part of economic knowledge, logic, theories, and analytical tools that are used for rational business decision making. The scope of business economics is quite wide as it covers most of the practical problems a manager or a firm faces. So, it can be concluded that business economics is a link between two disciplines which are management and economics. The management discipline focuses on a number of principles that help in the decision making process of organizations, and on the other hand, economics is related to the optimum allocation of limited resources for attaining the set of objectives of the organization. So, it can be said that business economics is a special discipline of economics that can be applied in business decision making of organizations. Also, business economics plays a very important role in decision making of any organization. So, that is it.